Hi, my name is Carlos Castro, and I'm going to talk about the International Phonetic Alphabet to associate it with the English sounds. We'll start with the consonants. What is a consonant? A consonant is a speech sound that is articulated with a complete or partial closure of the vocal tract. Let's see the phonemes. The B sound, we can find it in bat or baby. The D sound, we can find it in that or do. The F sound, we can find it in fate or food. The G sound, we can find it in good or goal. The H sound, we can find it in hood or hat. The Ch sound, we can find it in jade or June. The sound, we can find it in cat or cold. The L sound, we can find it in lad or lead. The M sound, we can find it in mat or math. The N sound, we can find it in nude or need. The P sound, we can find it in pet or pet. The R sound, we can find it in road or rural. The S sound, we can find it in sad or sent. The sound, we can find it in town or time. The V sound, we can find it in void or vowel. The W sound, we can find it in whack or weed. The sh sound, we can find it in sure or shampoo. The th sound, we can find it in thing or think. The th sound, we can find it in this or though. The sound, we can find it in ring or thing. The z sound, we can find it in zoo or zoom. The z sound, we can find it in treasure or vacation. The ch sound, we can find it in chip or catch at the end. The I sound, we can find it in you or unique. And the t sound, this is an American sound, and we can find it in cutting or petty. Let's talk about the vowels now. A vowel is a syllabic speech sound pronounced without any structure in the vocal tract. E, like in beat. E, like in bed. U, like in food. U, like in butte. A, like in bat. Uh, like in bat. Ah, like in car. The next one is a British sound, like O, like a lot. A, like in bed. Like in about. Like in bird. The next one is a British sound, similar to the last one, but a little bit different. In British English, we can hear ba, not bird, like in American English. A, like in bait. R, like in brother. I, like in boy. O, like in door. Door. O, like in boat. In British English, we can find a little difference in this same word. In British English, you don't say boat like in American English. You say boat, boat. I, bite, bite. Ow, bout. In British English, we can hear this vowel, ear, like in ear. He, e, e, like in hair. Yeah, like in pure. Aya, like in fire. All these vowels are heard only in British English. Hour, like in the word hour, hour in American English. But in British English, it sounds hour. This is a short e, like in happy, and a short u, like in situation, situation. And there's a nasal vowel only heard like in uh, croissant. This is from a foreign language. Well, thank you very much. I hope you like the presentation.